we're back with another product review from JFEGWO. Got it right here. I have opened it and I have charged it, and it is a jump start box. And we always have stuff with batteries. Cold weather is coming, they're always dying. So let's open this box up and see what we find. Alrighty. First thing, a kind of a squishy case, which I like the feel of. Open it up, you got your directions. This is a 6000A amp jump start box. And I bet we'll go through the directions in a minute. Bag. Comes with a flashlight. And there's your cords to jump start, where you would plug them up at. And these are some more outlets. This right here is a USB-C out. This right here is a USB-C in. This right here is a USB-A. Open them up, and that's what they look like. So you can charge your phone. If you're out camping or whatever, you can charge your phone and other stuff you want to plug into. And there's the on and off. One thing I do like about this is whenever you turn it on, how it's got it all lit up. Everything is just lit up, nice and simple. It's not confusing at all. But before we get started, oh, I'm working the flashlight. Can y'all see the flashlight? The flashlight does different stuff until we get it back off. And I guess you hold this. Okay, now we got it off. So let's open it up and see what all we come with. I see the cables are off the bat. Now this also is spark, so it's not supposed, some kind of spark resistant, so it does not spark. You just plug it up in there, put it on, and you start your charging. And there is, if you want to charge it up by a USB. So right here on the cables where we're starting this tractor, there is the boost button. It's right there on the cables. Now we're going to be starting this with no battery, so I'm going to have to use the boost button. Now if you just want a regular charge, you can just put it on there, hit the power button, and then just simply charge. Now the good thing about it is you'll see, but the ends are one's round and one's got a little flat, so that way when you put it in, you're not going to get confused of which one's hot and which one's ground. So we're going to put it in here, snap it on, and as you can see right here, the batteries are disconnected. So we're going to go ahead and put the ground on there, on the cables. And then we're going to put the hot on, just like that. And we're going to turn it on. Now we're going to go over here and hit this boost. Now you'll hear it click, and then the green light will come on. See the green light? Now let's see if it'll start. This thing started right on up. It didn't give no problem. As you could tell, like I said, it started up pretty quick, pretty fast, and I'm impressed. I think it's a good product. There is going to be a discount code and a link down below, and y'all go check it out along with the product. Y'all be careful, be safe out there. See y'all on the next one.